So first thing first, today we are going to make caramel, and this is our episode 3 of caramel in our caramel series. And so first step first, you put your sugar in the sphere and then you start heating. Have you ever fried sugar? Have you ever fried sugar? This is how sugar is being fried. Ready? And when it melts, it burns and turn the color. That's when we introduce another recipe. So let me switch. Yeah, this is a very delicate point. It should be keen so that your sugar doesn't burn beyond the required texture. Because when it burns to black, it means it's now bitter, not sweet. So you make sure your sugar burns but doesn't burn to black or past this color. See that? Do you hear the hissing sound of burning sugar? So next we are going to use margarine, blue band. So I'm going to use 2 spoons. You mix them thoroughly together. Make sure that the blue band or your margarine has melted and mixed thoroughly with your burning sugar. Can you see the bubbles? Do you hear that bubble sound? Do you hear the boiling sound, or is it the burning sound? Yeah, so this is the mixture of blue band and sugar. And this one is very sweet actually, almost like honey. Of course, people say nothing is sweeter than honey. But if you taste this right now, it actually tastes like honey. It's very sweet. Because this is just sugar and margarine, basically. By the way, you can use caramel to eat with bread. You can smear on your bread the way you use blue band. Yeah, you can use caramel on bread for breakfast. You can use caramel to make your popcorn. The same way I'll show you at the end how we make popcorn caramel or caramel popcorn. And you also caramel you can use to put in your tea. In fact, when you're drinking black tea, then you get caramel. It goes well. It goes well with tea, black tea. So my short secret, my grandma's secret is that when it reach at this point, there's one trick that we do. We add milk gradually, kidogo kidogo, as you mix, so that it doesn't exceed your required texture, the texture that you want. Sawa? And because my milk was boiled, I'll not burn it so much. So you just let it boil actually melt before it's ready. At this stage you have to be keen, because here caramel can easily or can instantly turn from perfect to burn. So you make sure you are keen so you don't burn your caramel. You keep on stirring because it sticks in your pan or sphere, and if you don't mix it, it starts burning. You'll not realize, but when it burns, it starts turning black. And this is the texture we want to maintain, because this is the texture of caramel and this is the color of caramel. So can you see it burning, or is it boiling? Tell me. So this is our episode 3 of caramel, and we did episode 1, 2. So this is the 3rd episode, different cooking techniques. And hidden secrets. And there we have it, guys. A poor man's caramel that tastes expensive. Quick one, homemade, simple, nice and easy. Do you see that? Do you see that? It's caramel.